Let me try this one.
You mad or not?
Hey, kangaroo piss is good. Don't be.
Wait, what? Oh, okay, no.
Don't be an idiot.
Hold on.
Don't be an idiot. Shit.
You know what's overrated in Japan? I'm gonna talk about this right now. People are gonna hate me. I'm listening. Japanese food on a whole. That nigga, it's kind of overrated.
I don't know if I agree with you.
It is. It is. Alright, so basically I just wanted to gather as many persons of the same persuasion as myself to discuss just discuss life in Japan and our various experiences here in a very candid type setting.
How long have you been here?
I've been here longer than a presidential term by Donald Trump.
So what, a little bit under
5 years.
Yeah. Relevant.
Okay.
5 years.
I've been here a year and 2 months, and I disappear every 3 months to reset. What are you? How long you been here?
Oh my God.
Wow. What are you? What are we? What are we?
Y'all taking it too seriously. How long have you been in Japan?
17 years.
2 years?
2
years. You?
Like all my life at this point.
Okay, so how long is that?
She ain't trying to give her age like that.
I mean,
I've got nothing else to say. I've been here 2 years. I enjoy, some parts of it, not all of it.
Almost 2 years.
how long you been here, sir?
5 months now.
5 months?
Yes.
Oh, here we.
It's all right. I get a few. I get a few. It's there's kids especially are scared of me.
Is it the long hair?
Yeah. I think so. And the beard, and how tall I am, and my voice.
Okay, so is it the hair and the beard?
How does it feel to be black?
Wait, do I get the N-word pass? Is that what
No. But I mean that's basic.
The question is, what has been the worst experience you've had with a Japanese? Oh, it's killing me right now. I can't even answer the question. So, what has been the worst experience you've had in Japan, be it with a foreigner or another Japanese person? Be it anything rude or anything weird, anything. I mean, just go around, everybody giving their
Weird.
stuff. Weird and rude.
I mean, I can be really short. I haven't really.
You can be really short, Allan.
Yeah. You know what? I deserve that after all of that. That's fine.
Like a sprinter. At first thing. Sorry.
I mean, I've encountered a lot of weird stuff, but nothing entirely rude. I mean, the weirdest thing is when Japanese people move away from me, but I mean, I get that at home, so that's not really that weird to me. It's how nonchalant they are about it, but I'm still not too phased by that. But I hear a bunch of stories of stuff way worse than me. The only thing I can think of is probably someone yesterday when that dude snatched his little kid, like we was about to we was at the ramen shop and we was about to walk out and he snatched his kid up like I was about to take her and he was like, she ain't even cute, like we that's it. Yeah, no, he grabbed her by the arm, like he almost hurt her trying to get her away from me, and I'm like, you almost broke her arm, bro.
You're gonna steal these Japanese kids to put in your ramen, bro? I don't know what.
That's a plot twist right there.
Yeah.
Plot twist!
I haven't had anything extremely rude, and even the things that have happened to me, I think it's out of necessarily like ignorance and not knowing and not them directly trying to be like that. Because I mean, I have no problem with throwing somebody under the bus for being shitty, but I actually don't genuinely think that they're trying to they don't understand a lot of things.
Right.
And I give them the benefit of the doubt for that, but you ain't gotta be so abrasive when you make your move. Like, it's very obvious that you're moving because of me. And sometimes I don't even want you near me. It's cool to have 2 seats on the side of me. Like, I love the space.
Facts!
But at the same time, like, you're being really obvious about it. So are you really achieving, like, are you a little bit more comfortable, but it doesn't make you uncomfortable to make that apparent? Because I feel like that makes me uncomfortable to make that move.
Right.
Because it's like you making it known that you're doing it for that reason. I'm like, that's just as uncomfortable as sitting next to me. I feel like. So because I'm gonna look at you from a distance, and then you're gonna make sure you don't do the eye contact thing, and I'm just like, winning here.
I just want to sit down, homie. We're gonna get
Like, I'm tired too. I'm like, do we got a certain smell or something? I'm like, I'm fresh.
You know,
I don't get it. I don't get it.
Their smells, trust me, from
I mean,
all
no,
sides.
I know everybody has smells. I get that. But I'm just saying, like, I don't think that's the thing. Like, the working man, all working men are gonna smell. But I don't understand their reason. Like, what are we gonna do on the train around a bunch more Japanese people? We just gonna shank you and then just keep sitting there? Like, what's really gonna happen? Am I gonna stare you down and you're gonna start melting? Like, what's physically going to happen to you from sitting next to me?
I don't know, ask them because they watch TV.
But that's the extent of mine. It's nothing real bad in comparison to what I've heard from my peers and fellow brown people, really. Especially the taller and darker counterparts.
You guys have anything to add to this? Anything that you find weird or rude that has happened to you that stood out in your memory, recent memory?
Recent.
I mean, no, what something must have like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been here all my life.
All right, Bria is gonna share her Spice Adams shit.
Like, no, like the weird thing that they do is like, oh, let me take a picture with you. Let me take a picture with you.
Sweet.
Honestly, or can I touch your hair? But their hands are already in your head. I'm like, why are you touching me? Don't even ask. At this point, you're like, can I touch your hair? I'm like, yes, mess up my hair, dude. That I just did for like 2 hours. Thank you. Like, no. Like, no. That's weird. And then the part is like, my dad went to jail because some dude acted like we pushed him out the train, but it was some Asian dude that pushed him out the train. He's like, ah. And sat there for like a good like 20 minutes, and then as soon as the cop came, he laid down like we punched him in his face and started like hitting his own stuff. I'm like, whoa, okay, you crazy? I got you. I understand.
He played it up.
He played it up, and we all just sitting and looking at him like, we got
That's
you,
what's
fam.
up.
That's what's up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a little out there. So
Yup.
to play that kind of shit up.
Yup.
That's a little bit out there, I would say.
Anything, what about you, Al? Anything
No, nothing
weird or rude you feel?
The worst thing has been like whenever I sit down at the cafeteria at my uni, the girls, if I sit down with a bunch of girls, it's always like, oh wow, look, he's so tall, look at his hair, it's so long. You know, yeah. Like,
Do you want to see my?
yeah, no, the hair touching thing hasn't been a thing in Japan, but in Australia it is. When I
I mean,
go-
they can't reach your hair.
When
Yeah,
I,
like, bro,
They can't
what
read
you
it.
meant this?
Let me shoot that shot. Let me shoot my shot, nigga.
Like, let me get a ladder real quick. Okay.
yeah, no, when I go out clubbing in Australia, if I go out clubbing, girls will, and I'm up at the bar, girls will just come up and
I
start
want to
touching it.
Australia.
Have you been clubbing out in Japan?
No. I don't really like clubbing.
Oh no!
Yeah.
You
I
go
I like house parties.
Yeah.
House party is my place.
Like
That's
you
what I'm saying, but
would
you say
take
clubbing out
home the
outside.
club.
No.
You know what's weird but interesting in a what's weird but in an interesting way? It feels different to be exotic for the first time ever. Like, you know, in America, I'm in Detroit, where it's a large population of, you know,
Black people.
largest population other than what, Atlanta, basically. But here, like, some people are looking at you weird, but some people are looking at you like, I want
Whoa.
that. And it's weird.
Gorgeous
No,
man.
it's weird because like I like it in a little way, and then I could feel like fetishized, and I almost feel like how a female feels sometimes. I'm like, God damn, I don't want these eyes on me because it's there for the wrong. No. Because females get that no matter what, whether they're here or they're in their own area. Like, and it's kind of weird to have that type of attention.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, no, you in Jamaica, y'all gotta be manly all the time. I get it.
No.
Anyway.
I'm not talking about that. I'm not trying to go down that route because that's gonna
I'm just
open
saying-
more cans of worms. It's opening up. Like,
No,
nigga,
yeah.
you don't know how we feel. Don't even try that. Let's go.
Okay. It's just interesting to feel exotic for once, and it feels good and weird simultaneously.
I understand where you're coming from, at least.
Yeah, it's like oh, that's cool, and whoa, that's not cool no more. Like it's like both of those at the same time.
I cannot.
Cynthia,
What?
Cynthia.
bring some forth knowledge. Oh, grade one.
I know you got something to say, so don't act like you don't.
He's
She's
like,
literally eating the popcorn. She's being the meme. She's just listening and eating the pop. What do you say?
like what's weird, like something weird that has happened to you, either from a foreigner or a Japanese person while in Japan, that you like, what? Like, you like your pause, like, what the hell is this shit?
I know you got plenty.
It's I mean, the only weird thing.
The only.
Well,
You started off light real quick.
one of the weird things here is that when I do go out clubbing or to a bar, I always get like attacked by aggressive Asians in the bathroom. And
So
it's
you talking about the female?
yeah.
I've seen it.
They try to come and they like some of them try to force kiss me and all this different stuff, and they talk to me in in their language, and I'm just like
In their language, in their mother
In their
tongue.
language, their mother tongue. I'm trying to get this mother tongue in your tongue, my girl. Like,
Singing a song with their people.
But yeah, it's like,
I hate Brie. I love her. Who is a Brie? What is a Brie? That's her title, sorry. Wait.
yeah, but I mean that's something that's weird out here because at least in America I go to the bathroom and I be alright.
But you
But
go,
here-
they're hitting on you in the bathroom.
Did you
no
expect
place
this
to
level
run.
of would you
Which one?
female interest in this country of that form? Did you expect it, or
to be
That-
at
this
that
current-
like this much.
Thirst?
No, I didn't expect it.
But you're glad?
I mean, I accept all.
Affection.
Yeah, I'm like, boost my ego. That's fine, but
I get you there.
Herego.com.
it's like maybe a few times it happened with guys out here, but not as often with the females.
You think they feel more comfortable, or is that just how they like what?
Man, it'll be a question to ask these two girls right here because they're here. They can
Verify. Validate.
like how the women are out here.
So,
Pretty as fuck. Pretty as hell.
Katie, tell me about these women and their aggression.
Yes, sir.
And their aggression.
Yes.
Katie's like, nigga, I got stories. That's that voice. But
I don't know, some you can actually, okay, so aggression wise towards black people in general, they fetishize so much.
Right.
I can't even.
Okay,
I can't even.
Aladdin, let's get that lamp rubbed
I
down for
can't
you.
even. It's like, what?
No, because
I think sexual aggression in general is pretty high here.
no,
Just like-
especially for black women.
no, I mean,
Like I've seen them, like Japanese men, like they
Oh,
feel.
so confused.
Sorry, pause. Where
Females
did I
too.
go?
Wait a minute.
Wait, where did I
We're
go?
talking about
Where did I go?
females,
Females. Sorry,
nah,
right.
females to males is my assumption. Because they questions that they ask me crazy as
Listen, like I've been out with women, and usually Japanese guys are really shy over there, right? Unless they get drunk.
I'm like, you have one beer and you're already acting a fool.
One beer.
Yes.
He's like, so let's. Do you have train to go home? I'm like, hold on, wait, bro, you couldn't say hello 5 minutes ago to this girl. I know after one shot, you're like asking about last train. What's good? It's like, I know, and I still said,
Now you can ask my name.
I know, tequila, ipai desu.
He said, I got her name, I can do this.
Stop. Oh, he told you this.
You ain't gonna know.
So I know. Saigo no. Shut the show. Wait.
Oh my god, now you're screaming! We're like,
Before the girl even answers,
Right.
they do that all the time. Like I talked to her. Like, nigga, sit down.
they go run
So basically, I just ran some Japanese games. So what they do a lot is pretend they're drunk, drink something,
okay, so
pretend they're
it's
drunk.
not really.
It's not real all the
They're
time.
using it as a.
They use it
excuse.
as a crutch, basically. And then they express their true feelings behind the mask
So
of
they use
alcohol.
it, but they're not even drunk.
But
at
they're
that
not.
point in time.
Some of them are not even
I mean,
drunk.
Some of them.
Some of them are really drunk.
But they use it as a mask.
But they use it as a mask. So and then they say, oh, janante ne tokanante. Hey, what's wrong with you? I was joking. When like girls get offended, they just roll back up. and then laugh it off. But if it doesn't, I know this.
That's pretty damn good.
How many times? How many times?
I've seen it. Like I've gone out with girls and like it's all just stay close to me. Like fine. What's the word about the Japanese guys, right? But these guys are sinister. I've seen.
This is not
guys,
even in the club. We're
right?
out there like Shibuya, just waiting and stuff.
I have
Yeah,
seen
just waiting.
like after the club, like you know soccer especially. That's what I've seen.
What's up?
Girls are drunk coming out and a guy just says, okay, so sir, taxi is there, taxi, pull girl in taxi over. She's like, yada yada, but it's not the yada like stop.
It's like, yes.
It's yada, no, because everybody's looking, but yes, I want to go with you.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's, no, there's such a difference here. And I've lived here long enough to see.
You know, come to think of it, I don't think I've ever been approached by a Japanese person.
Really?
Yeah, I don't
Lucky
think
ass.
I don't think I've
Is it lucky?
been approached by a Japanese person like out of the blue. To
No, but you are the antithesis of what they want. A nice white guy, long hair looking ass, blue eyes, beard looking ass. I'm surprised you don't have like 15 Japanese girls waiting for you right now on your messenger. Tinder like swipe right. Oh shit.
You know what's fucking weird? Tinder. You know how like they have all the like, fake profiles?
Why do
Yeah.
they black their faces on Tinder?
Yeah, because
Why do they black their faces
you
so
know
much
why?
on Tinder?
You know why? I found out why. It's because they're having an affair. They're having an affair on their husband.
No, that has happened. So
Wait a minute. What's his name? What's his name? Wait.
No, seriously.
No. I've been with
Japanese
that bitch,
sisters having affairs?
and I didn't know till like the third time I was with her. I seen the ring on the nightstand. I'm like, what is that? She's like, oh, I'm married. I'm like, what? Oh, like full blown married. I'm like, why you ain't tell me about that?
Yeah.
Within it, like.
I must taste
Yeah, no, this is not like, right? Like, this is not confirmed. I've never, like, this isn't, like, the truth. This is just what I've heard.
Yeah.
But yeah, they have fake profiles. I hear that they, like, what they do is they, like, just set up, and then they'll meet up. And because it's, like, there's just a name, and so many Japanese girls have the same name, right? It's like, oh, that's not me. I'm not that Sato, you know, like, I would have my face, you know.
But on a dating profile, how do you block 80% of what someone's looking for with a happy smiley face?
Yeah, sometimes
and you hold an ice cream
sometimes
cone? Like, what am I interested in? Ice cream?
Sometimes it's literally just pictures of plants or something.
Yeah.
Well,
And I'm like, what are you trying to get across?
Actually, my friend, he's 31, and he's studying here, and he's on Tinder all the time. And the thing is, he'll have to say to them as soon as they match, he's like, I do not like own a business. I'm not like a businessman. I don't have a career. And they'll just unmatch. They're like just looking for like an easy ticket out of Japan.
Nice.
Yeah. And he's been on dates, and they've been like,
I mean, that's pretty genuine of him for Tinder.
Yeah, I didn't realize that you were like not a businessman. I didn't realize that you weren't rich.
I mean, is he just in suits on his Tinder?
No, well, he's just like he's a student, you know. He's like, they see that he's 32 in Tokyo. Not many like above 30-year-olds are in Tokyo not working. All they're doing ESL. You know?
Yeah.
This opera singing ass nigga. What?
But like to touch on a general scale of both things that we talk about, I think Japanese in general are extremely sexually repressed in the sense that they know what they want, but they don't ask for it, the men or the women.
Yeah.
Like the men, they don't talk about shit. You come on. Man, they don't talk about what they want, so they huff and puff on the trains, and they take their pictures and shit like that. And then the women, if you match with them, you be like, sex is everywhere. It's in Don Quixote, it's on all of they anime, all of they characters got big ass titties. Like sex is everywhere. But then you talk about sex or fucking or something like that, they be, oh no, but you get them within 4 walls, and they change into a whole different person. Like everyone's sexually repressed. They all want it, but they don't go for what they want.
Yeah.
And that's what makes the weird Japanese guys that takes pictures, that does the upskirts and stuff like that, and the girls that act like they don't want anything, and then behind closed doors turn into a whole different person that fucks you up because I'm like, you the shy girl, we got this far, you get in the room and you more aggressive than me.
Yeah.
I'm like, I like it, but pause. You change
What
up.
is this? What
And so
happened?
I feel like they're still in like the teenage stage in the sense of sex, to where like they're almost ashamed of it. They don't want to ask for what they want.
Ask me.
Yeah, no, I feel like if the dudes asked for what they wanted more, they would get what they wanted. They wouldn't have to beat around the bush and act weird. And then the women, they want it just as much as the men, but then you ask to talk about sex and they're like, oh, no, I'm real shy. And I'm like, nah, you know that. Because once you close the door, they transform into this monster and you're like, I like it, but goddamn, I didn't know that was you. Like, I think it's a whole sexual repression thing, and these ninjas lie with the best poker face that I've ever seen in my life. I thought Americans were great at lying and deception. Oh my god. No. They kill. No. Because like I've talked to people, and even on the friendship level, they can lie to you on an exceptional level. But when it comes to relationship, you're like, oh, are you this? Are you that? Oh, I'm not in a relationship. Poker face, like you know, like when most people lie, you can see their eyes cut, you can see them not look at you directly, you can see traits of lying. They will look at you right in the face, and you be like, oh, all right. It's like the straightest poker face. And I don't understand how you can even hold your ground that hard. Like you deserve a clap. You did that to me, but I'm mad at you for that. But that takes some skill to lie like that.
You deserve a clap and an ass beating.
At the same time, like it's like Trump. I'm surprised at what he's getting away with, but at the same time, it's amazing.
Right?
Like, how is he getting away with this shit? Yeah, I'm like, how is he getting away with this shit? It's all.
Barack is still my president.
We're not even get into that. But like I said,
to me, my sad had ass.
it's just.
There's actually a burger joint. There's actually a burger joint right across the road from Tokyo-Eki that has a picture of Obama eating there. Yeah.
Alright, so let me say something real quick before y'all get all up in your nipple charges and stuff. Now, the thing about Japan is that they're very superficial society, right? Follow me with this, right? So it's all about the image, okay? And with that, it's all about making sure that in the public eye or in other person's eyes, you have a certain aesthetic or a certain appeal. Being here for 5 years, I've seen like different types of relationships and situationships and ish. I have been in situationships, right? So let's say, for instance, a man gets married to a girl. It's not because necessarily they're in love. It's more because of this. Pretty much a contract and status.
Or their parents like,
I mean,
need to marry this
right?
right now because he has fucking money. Like,
and he comes from a good family, and he's stable.
No, it's a memory of the family, but I mean, it used to always be like that.
And he will grow to love you eventually.
Yeah.
That's the line that you.
No, but that's,
marriage for love is actually a very recent concept. Marriage for love is actually a very
Eastern
recent.
Eastern cultures.
Yeah. Marriage used to be.
Have the concepts of marrying for love.
Yeah, that's a very new idea.
And Western idea.
Let them keep talking.
I was trying to talk. I never cut off anybody when they're talking. I just want to talk and say one thing. I don't know if it's because I have an African accent.
Keep it up or I'll keep cutting you off.
I don't know if it's because of my Jamaican accent though. Right, so basically what I'm saying is to say that a lot of it has to do with just the social construct of marriage here in Japan especially, which is the financial stability, this whole social structure, whatever. So the man, and another thing is if they get married and they have children, a woman that has a child is not a mother, and a man can't see her as anything else but a mother. So they can't have sex with a mother.
They have no
in their mind.
Yeah, no. You can only give love to the kids or the
man. And then
man.
the mother says, hey, it's my kid, so I love that kid. So what happens is it becomes an unwritten agreement. The man will have his girlfriend, and the woman will have her boyfriend. Usually.
what is that?
Which is like a marriage.
It's like an agreed affair. It's
Basically.
like unofficial agreement.
So I met this lady, and that surprised me. I'm like talking to this girl, it's like, oh, you know this guy? Yeah, I know him. Yeah, but shh, her husband is like right here. She's here, and I'm here with Katie, and we're talking. You say like, this guy that you know, he's my boyfriend for 9 years. This woman's married for 10, and she has a boyfriend for 9 years. Sorry. So,
unless you don't want this there.
yeah, I wanted to be heard. Sorry, I've totally forgot this thing I was in. Sorry,
I was like,
Why are you being so quiet?
I thought it gave the effect, but never.
no.
So basically, the husband is here, the woman is here, and where Katie is, and we're having a conversation, and she's saying like, no, he's just doing what we're doing. He's chilling. And she's like saying, "Do you know X?" I said, "Yes, I know X." But he's my boyfriend for like 9 years. So I said, "How long are you married?" He's like 10.
My nigga, what? Time out.
That math doesn't even meet up.
It's a picture of the guy like.
Pause. What?
So I'm like,
Whoa! What? You think it turns to Crash Bandicoot? Whoa!
okay, so when we carry the 4, then integral, parts, dxdy, shit, tangent of what the fuck is going on here? She's like, yeah. I'm like, so you have a child? She said, yes. Oh, that makes sense. All right, never mind. Going on. I was like, what? I had my same situation where this homegirl is married, but homeboy doesn't pay any attention to her. You know, we both like music and we both dance and yeah, so eventually, yeah. So she was actually my first. No.
What?
Wait,
Okay, continue.
Yeah. So
I
yeah.
know, I already heard this story. I'm just being dramatic.
Right.
You said the story already.
Right. So I'm just saying, like, I would have never done that shit in Jamaica because I'd be dead right now.
Yeah.
What you doing? Bow. Okay, he's dead. All right. What you doing? Bow over. All right. Let's clean that shit. Let's clean this. All right. It's dead. All right. Good night.
You have a nice day, sir.
You know what I mean? But yeah, I would never have done that. Like, it was in Jamaica now, I've been married with kids. Guaranteed. Easily. And in Japan, I don't know, something that's not sitting right with me with some of these girls. Foreigners as well, listen. Don't get it twisted. Some of y'all need to have a check.
I don't trust military.
You said throw them.
The only people that get married within a year or two are military and insane people.
I wouldn't try dating a military girl. Creep. I don't know if I could handle it.
I couldn't finish the words.
I don't think
I can handle it.
Nah, I couldn't handle it. Cause yo, when especially the Navy, they out at sea for like 6 months. They come back, they want to drink and
You can't trust the Navy. Niggas go gay just while they on the
I'm about to
water.
say that.
I'm like,
I'm like, what?
they go gay while they on the water. They come back and shit happen.
My
I'm
nigga,
like,
you in jail type shit.
I would jump in the water with a fish before I was the nigga.
What?
how you gonna swim? Oh.
I'm saying.
Oh.
Look, I can have 10 gigs of porn that last a couple of months.
That water be cold. Oh.
10 gigs of porn that last me a long time.
Just
4K.
said he had rather what?
I bought
Wow. What fish are you gonna find though? Tell me about it. I'm interested in it.
A hammerhead, a large head, a large tuna.
He's talking about a hammerhead.
A hammerhead.
Bro, come and bite that shit off.
Whoa.
Clean.
That's a
Oh,
short like
the
you
beside,
went
no.
in it.
Okay,
It's over.
jokes aside,
Chunk.
ain't no. I don't know what the water does to these people, these individuals, these ninjas, but it's quite interesting that happens.
Cola, give me some cola, my guy.
What's in the big jug with like tea?
Oh, that's Kool-Aid.
What flavor?
It's red.
Oh, God.
It's
It's just mixed with
cranberry.
purple.
No, it's 2 of them. It's
Kool-Aid.
it's grape and then it's a little bit of lemonade. There's 4 grapes and 1 lemonade.
You're gonna cut?
Huh?
You're gonna cut? I've never had Kool-Aid before. Except for today.
What?
What? Wait,
We need to pause everything.
Pause.
wait a minute.
He's
Hold
never
on.
had Kool-Aid before.
Wait
This
a
man.
minute.
I had it.
Wait a minute.
I had it
Emergency.
for the first time today.
Wait, no, my memory card ran out.
Damn.
That's why it's good to have a phone that runs.
What?
No, I got that part. I'm about to continue
I
it.
had it for the first time today.
Okay.
Oh, you're from Australia, right?
Yeah.
Right, so I mean, what the fuck gives like shit about Kool-Aid in Australia? Sorry.
We have too much stuff.
Alright, we
trying to
continuing
kill.
with this energy.
Right.
You've never had Kool-Aid before?
No, I haven't. No. We don't have it in Australia.
It's Bria. What is a breeze pulling up on the Australian homes?
What?
What? You know that's your name?
All right, I'm gonna get you a cup.
What is a brie, my nigga?
Y'all have Venus flytraps on the regular.
No.
These niggas drinking kangaroo piss, bro. Look at that.
And you talking about being racist? You talking about being racist?
Hold up.
Kangaroos.
Where else kangaroos at?
No.
Tell me where else kangaroos at?
That sentence alone.
Thank you.
Africa.
Really?
No.
Kangaroo piss, you should have said something like koala.
Hey, kangaroo piss is good. Don't be.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Okay, no. I just defended you, and you. That has to be a joke. That has to be a joke. I just defended you with this racist remark.
Drinking. Tell me about that kangaroo piss, man.
Everybody
He said it's good though.
Hold up.
Wait a
We
minute.
ain't gonna run all past that kangaroo piss.
Like we didn't hear that shit. Like he didn't say that shit.
We
Wait.
do.
I just got a question.
I
got questions.
Where do they serve?
No, wait. First, were you serious? No. Before you finish that, were you serious?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you was taking
Shut it down. I already knew it wasn't.
But to answer your question, McDonald's, KFC, at the shops, yeah.
I will not be going to McDonald's and fucking where you from?
Australia.
Just to clarify,
It's a joke.
It's a joke. I'm just.
He's just taking the piss.
Hey, taking the piss. Thank you. My girlfriend doesn't know that saying.
Okay.
Alright.